So, hi Nitya Deepa, I'm so happy to welcome you on Hall of Magnificence. Yeah, are you
Thank
excited?
you. Yeah, I'm so excited. I was waiting for this moment
Yes.
to have an interview and to share my experience starting from MM to MLC.
Yeah, right. So, tell me about your journey. I mean, from where you started, which month?
I started 14th December
Okay,
and I think 21st I have completed my MM and
yeah,
I joined MLC.
yes.
So 14th December I started my Magnificent Morning program.
Okay, so I got the point that you saw my Facebook ad, you joined Magnificent Morning, and then you
Yeah.
signed up for Magnificent Life Challenge. I want to know more about you so that our viewers will come to know about your journey, your story, and why you are here with us.
Okay. So I'm Nitya and I have completed my engineering in information technology and I joined a software concern and slowly I grew up there and now I am a manager of a multinational company. And in this pandemic, we were like sitting and working from home and it's a normal life. And one point of time, a thought came to my mind is, you know, I was extraordinary in my studies and schools in my colleges and even at my work also. But end of the day, I was thinking that I'm just running a normal human race.
Right.
So that's where when I was, scrolling through my Facebook, I saw your video,
Yeah.
which was a catchy one, and I'm attracted towards that video,
Yeah.
and that's where I joined the Magnificent Morning.
Yeah.
And first day, it was like, okay, I got up at 5 o'clock because she asked me to wake up at 5:30 to join the class. Okay, first day.
Yes.
And slowly a days pass by, day two, day three, and lot of changes in the way you taught to us. It is all a positive vibe. It is a positive energy. And that's where I got pepped up and say, yeah, see, I'm not running a human race. I got a person who is an extraordinary out of the human race and she's leading a society. Why can't I do that also? So that's where it started.
Yeah.
And we really don't know where to start and how to find the way for it. And
Mm.
Magnificent Morning is a such a wonderful program. First, it will start with a cleansing the the lot of storage garbage in our mind so far in our ears.
Yeah.
So Magnificent Morning is the step to cleanse ourselves.
Yeah.
And then I was like, towards the end of the program, I was like very sad. Okay, that's all, it's going to end. So, is this how I'm going to be? And suddenly you come up with and offered us the Magnificent Life Challenge.
Right.
So, I was so happy and joined there.
Yeah.
So, in Magnificent Challenge, the first chapter that you are given to us, identification of the self image,
Yes. Self-image. Yes.
which is a really to identify the purpose of our life.
Wow.
So, if we set the purpose of our life and waking up 5 o'clock is much easier.
Yes.
If we don't know the purpose of life, then we'll be a sleeping, sleeping goats always.
Actually, true.
So that is the one. And the second step is self love.
Yeah.
you know that is a very much important. Do you know, really, I was an overthinking person. I shouldn't the word I am an no, I was an overthinking person. And after taking your self image lessons as a part of MLC,
Yeah.
I first stopped self criticizing
Very good.
and and I practiced the ASM techniques.
Yeah.
A simple technique that we can follow each and every person. That is not a bigger technique. One
Right.
is a laughter, a medicine, that is the biggest one.
Yeah.
And the overthinking habit, the technique that I used to overcome my overthinking habit was
Yeah.
writing down in a paper and burn it.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
that was like cleansing my emotion, cleansing my brain. So
Yes.
it started from there. And the next wonderful step that comes into the picture of MLC is, always people used to say women as a power, women as a strength, and they know everything. But it comes to a financial part. Somehow women are not much given attention to that area.
Correct.
And I feel that is the area you have given a lot of coaching in that.
Thank you.
So, to be very honest with you, in my 15 years of my software professional journey, I haven't opened my salary slip and saw the components. What are the components in the breakup? And now, after the financial freedom program, I started looking my components and how it is calculated, rather wondering, I'm earning a money, but how am I spending it? And where, I'm not like a reactive now, and I am a proactive. And now I'm carefully putting my money where it has to go in, rather than wondering where it went, actually.
Right.
So this is how my journey started. And now unknowingly, I used to take my saltwater bath and root visualization. Even if I forgot, my root visualization, automatically I take my hands like this after my taking. So that's how it started.
Yes.
And the change started within myself, and not only me and my surroundings. Then my niece, my two nieces, elder one, she's into 10th grade, and now she is also listening to all the techniques and the class that you are teaching to us. She is also sits and listen, and the vibration is there also.
Amazing.
So
imagine the kind of impact she will be taking for her future, right?
Correct. And and she is waiting for. She used to ask me, please check with Dr. Anamika madam. I want to attend her teenage classes. Something is there. I really want to come and learn with her. So, we ask a lot of hooking up to you because the way you give a positive vibration to us.
Thank you.
So that is the change you made starting from December. Now in March, it is more than 90 days. So the techniques you taught us, the habits you taught us, now it is a part of my life.
Right.
So that is how I'm achieving my small goals in my life.
Right. Nityadeepa, I have a question to ask you. Now see, on a road of self-development journey, so I'm sure you'll be able to connect here. Like some people, they are the people who know it all. You come across such people. And then you will also find such some kind of personality types who feel that they have to constantly take feedback and work upon themselves, and they have to sharpen their skills. You know what I'm trying to say here? Definitely you come in the second category of the personality type, right? That you want to constantly grow yourself. Now, when you are going on this road of self-development and knowing more things about yourself, versus when you come, you must be meeting such people, right? Whatever you are exploring all these days, you will go and talk to them.
Correct.
People who know it all, with those kind of personality types. And tell me how their reaction is, okay? How it affects you or it doesn't affect you. How do you manage to be around different type of personalities who don't believe or who don't understand such journey of self-discovery?
Yeah. So, when we are working in one organization, we always will be surrounded with those kind of people only. Yeah. And the first point that I have stopped myself is seeking validation from others.
Yeah.
Because now after this program, I know who am I and what is my, ups and downs.
Right.
And other key point, a registered point is we are humans and we are supposed to make mistakes. We are not, we aren't meant for a perfect. So whenever any person comes in my mind and, they are banging me with their negative thoughts or something, I used to, draw a boundary with them and say, or if something affects me, I used to say, it's okay. The 2-letter magic word, it's okay. I have to bounce back. I should not be looking after others. I should bounce back and I should concentrate only on myself.
Right.
So those are the simple things that really help. We know that simple things are there, but we will not cautiously practice that actually.
Correct.
But these kind of things, when I came across a negative scenarios or a negative person, these kind of things will cautiously comes into my mind, and I say myself, okay, it's okay, let it happen. See, today it's not my day, it's okay. Tomorrow's the day is there. I'll bounce it back.
Correct. Yeah.
I'll bounce it back. Nothing harm in it.
Very, very inspiring. Thank you, Nityadeepa. Another question. So, now again, on a road of self-discovery, we don't carry the same amount of energy always. When people are judging us, people are misjudging us, and people are trying to pull us down or question us or threaten us, right? Things are not going according to our wish. External factors are not falling in place. How do you deal with such situation? What makes you to stay consistent and disciplined? How do you do that?
So the consistent, whenever I also use the same, the gesture that you are using, the consistent. So as I said, like lot of negative people. So I'll tell you a true scenario happened 10 days back.
Yeah.
A big kiosk happened at my home, and they were pulling me, and they were asking my opinion. If I opened my mouth, it would have, again, I'll be a part of that quarrel.
Correct.
And my peace of mind would have gone.
Correct.
So I was thinking that no, I focus only what matters. That particular incident doesn't matter to me at all. Right. I focus only what matters to me, and the next thing is simply watch.
Right.
Simply watch. Right. That's all. And don't observe it. Simply watch. That's all.
Yeah.
So even they are pulling my mouth to speak, I used to say, it's not my job. I'm not even like to participate. It is your problem to solve it. So don't come and put it on me.
Right.
So that happened, and though I was peaceful, my home was not peaceful in that. After that incident, for 5 days it was not peaceful. But only that helped to bring back all the energy is the meditation.
Super.
The meditation, the morning bliss meditation that I used to have. Right. And wonderfully, that day you were taking a meditation of healing the inner child, identifying the inner child. And that time my inner child was unknowingly very sad and sitting alone. And after that meditation, I was pacifying that child and bring along with me.
Nice.
So, and after that incident, I told my members to practice the twin heart meditation.
Yes.
And they are doing it also. Wow. And surprisingly, 2 of my family members made a promise on my birthday that they will not get angry on unnecessary things.
How nice. This is a pure no wonder I'm interviewing you. You are actually sharing a success story. Now, this is a real life success story.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. And those 2 of my family members are known to the angry faces to the outer world and inside also.
Huge shift.
Yeah.
Huge shift. Now this has happened because you were consistent for all these months. They were sitting and watching you like this, right? In December, and now you're telling me the story in March.
Correct.
December 2020 to March 2021, and see how this consistency has got that change in their approach.
Correct. Correct. Amazing. And that particular family member is a key member in my family who is looking to bring a peace in the family and within herself and to my family members also. Right. Now it has been a completely change, and all my family members are wondering how could she change like this. I was silently watching and smiling. That's all. So that is the one. And Anamika, I want to share another same incident and my mental movie.
Yes, please.
My mental movie on money making.
Yeah.
So I never imagined. I used to get appreciation from my managers and everyone, but it not related to money.
Okay.
But this time I got, a 6-digit money appreciation as a bonus from my manager, and My organization is of more than 90,000 employees, out of which only 2% will get that particular award and that bonus.
Wow, I'm so happy.
So I was part of it.
Huge. This is huge. I'm
Yeah,
so proud of you.
yeah. And I was already in a wall of fame there.
Amazing, yeah. Nityadeepa, you have created a huge leap, in past.
Yeah,
I think within a quarter you have created a nice leap.
correct, correct.
Kudos, yeah, kudos to you. Seriously, this is brilliant. I'm feeling so proud because you are my student.
And
You
to
have
be very honest,
3,000 people. Just imagine. Oh my God.
and to be very honest, this heartfelt thanks goes to Almighty and then to you, because you bring the change to in me.
You
Yeah,
did it.
you triggered it actually.
Yeah, you did it. You did it. That is the main key, like you did it.
Yeah.
Amazing. So, Nityadeepa, let's towards the conclusion part. What is that one message you would like to give, like people whom you know they are a part of MSc and how they should take this journey? What will be some, pitfalls, and you want them to be prepared in advance because you are leading them, you're senior.
Yeah. So the one message I want to convey, whoever is seeing it,
Yeah.
the one message I want to convey is, first they have to, whoever looking for a change in themselves, whoever want to change by themselves, they have to join this program.
Yeah.
This program is a very much foundation program, and it's not just like that, just one person coming and giving a speech and going away. It's not a gyan.
Yeah.
It's a result oriented program. And a very important point that I want to give is, it's a connection to our 5 elements, our mother nature.
Yes.
So that is much important. And program is of connecting to our mother nature and by cleansing ourselves. So everyone, whoever looking for a change, should attend this program as a foundation, and definitely they should go for an MLC also, because MLC is the place where you can find the purpose of your life. And purpose of our life is very much important to have a long, healthy life.
Yes.
So that is the one message, and we can believe in Dr. Anamika and her team always. Even if we are lazy after a joining program, you know how to wake us up and start running it. So that is very much confident I have on you and your team. So no worries, and people can blindly, I request the people to blindly join this program and make change in themselves.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nityadeepa. It was lovely talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Anamika.
I wish you all the very best, and I'll catch you again to create another story, and I'll see you and I'll interview you again for Hall of Magnificence.
Yes, I'm having another goal. I'll not tell now, but once I reached it, definitely I'll call you and I'll share my story. Because you are a life coach. That word life coach is big important, and for a lifelong.
Yes, definitely. I'm there. I'm waiting. I'm just sitting and waiting.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear.